Now, sometimes when you use it with the cold glue, you need some extra weight because I can see like I cannot pull hard enough. I just put
So
1 pound,
added weights.
1.5 pound added the weight here.
Okay.
From outside, I don't need to disassemble.
MTE 2025. We got Charles with CamAuto, and he's going to show us his premium cold glue kit.
How you doing?
All right.
Yes. Okay. It's a universal. You can choose
Three different slide options.
Three different slide options. Let's say we're gonna choose the short one. Just put it there. Okay. Tight it down.
Okay.
We can put the rubber here.
Yeah.
And after we put the rubber, we put the slide hammer. Now we pick what we want. If we want the tab saver, the cold glue, or the
Hot glue tabs.
yeah, for the hot glue, the regular tab.
Yeah.
Okay, I put it on. This is what like normal, like everybody has similar product. Now, sometimes when you use it with the cold glue, you need some extra weight because I can see like I cannot pull hard enough. I just put
So
1 pound,
added weights.
1.5 pound added the weight here.
Okay.
From outside, I don't need to disassemble.
Yeah.
So from outside, look at it. Now I have more weight, more power, and or I can put the 2.5 pounds.
So you have 1.5 and 2.5 pounds. Okay.
Very heavy. And I can change that to longer.
You need it longer.
No. Same time, I can put this tab here.
Okay.
So sometimes you're doing some
Hot glue.
You remove and you find like small dent. You want to use the cold glue. You can put it here. Tighten. When you tighten it down, it won't go anywhere.
Okay. Really
You work
nice.
on the hot glue tab, then you decide a quick pull with the cold glue. You have it on the other hand.
All right. That's nice. So less climbing off the top of vehicles.
Yeah. So one kit can do everything. And we have the cold glue and with all the tabs that we need. And as I said, it's a universal. You can put heavy pound, heavy weight. And
Yeah, you can build it exactly like you want.
I can use the longer one. Look.
One slide hammer to rule them all.
Yes.
Right.
Look the trouble that we have a lot. And even when you have the heavy weight, it go here too. So
Okay.
it doesn't
That's
go
nice.
in between.
Really awesome. Thank you. We appreciate you showing us your premium cold glue kit,
Thank you,
Charles.
man.
Thank you.